Hello everyone, just giving you guys a brief update on my watermelon. These are the sugar baby watermelon, and as you can see, it's hanging out the pot pretty good. And if I'm not mistaken, I saw a little bitty watermelon on here. There it is, just it's real little. That's the first female flowering that I have gotten off this plant. When that plant opens up, I'm gonna make sure it gets pollinated so that watermelon will grow. Those are my sugar baby. Right here is the Moon and Stars variety. As you can see, it has pretty yellow specks on the leaves, and the flesh, not the flesh, but the skin of the watermelon will have those specks as well. It's like a dark green, and it'll have those yellow specks on it, and it has a yellow flesh. Never tried Moon and Stars watermelon. I can't wait to harvest some of those. These are my Crimson Sweet. They're getting off to an okay start. And right here is Cantaloupe. Something has been eating on my cantaloupe leaves. I'm gonna have to put some cinnamon or something down here to keep the bugs off of there. But I was just giving you guys a brief update on how the watermelon is doing. And I'll give you guys another update when we have a lot more growth. Enjoy the rest of your day.